So can the Android users use Apple Music? Well, let me explain the whole thing. If it's your first time on this channel, definitely subscribe for more explanations and guides like this one. So if you go to the Android phone and open up the Google Play where you download apps, you're going to notice that upon looking up Apple Music, you have a dedicated app which you can download officially made by Apple, so you can definitely install it. Just pay attention to it that it's the official app developed by Apple, because there are plenty of similar looking icons which are some completely random third-party apps. But once you download the one from the Apple, you're going to be able to just sign in with the Apple ID, which you might already have if you have used an iPhone before. And using this account, you can just sign in to the Apple Music, set up the subscription if you don't have one, and essentially use it as a regular music subscription. So a lot of people are confused with this because it's like officially on the Apple devices only, but it does work on Androids. And yeah, you need an Apple account for it and all of that, but it is going to work. So this is ideal for people who are like part of the Apple ecosystem, but also have one Android device and also want to access the service on that phone. But other than that, if you have never used an iPhone, then you can as well just get Spotify or YouTube Music or something. But yeah, I hope it helps. If you have some more thoughts and questions about this, leave them below. Thanks a lot for watching, and I will see you later in the next videos as well.